Hi there, it's Stacy from Flying for Flavors. How are you all doing today? Welcome to my kitchen. I'm not going to show you right now because it's kind of crazy in here. I just wanted to talk to you and show you the process of doing a simple one-pan meal, whether it's for someone who's eating by themselves, 2 people, 3 people, or a full family of 5 to 8. It's an easy process to do, and it's simple. First of all, I usually just get a cookie sheet. I line it with parchment paper, as you see here. I spray the parchment paper, and then I just chop up certain vegetables, whatever you like. I use celery, onions, some carrots, and season them how you choose. I just grabbed a bag of the baby carrots because it's simple, it's easy. You can use the regular ones if you want. You'll notice maybe I actually sometimes cheat. I nuke stuff ahead of time so that it actually gets done quicker. And then you pick a protein of choice to center in the middle, and I'll show you in a second what I've done. I've chosen chicken thighs. I've marinated them a little bit in olive oil and my choice of spice, which is anything that I can grab from the cupboard, from jerk spice to Montreal chicken spice to paprika, smoked paprika with a little bit of maple syrup on it. I do anything and everything, and throw them on the pan and into the oven. I'll show you in a second after the pan is ready. So as you can see, I've aligned the sides of the pan with little mini carrots, a variety of different mini potatoes, some onions, some celery, and as I said, I nuke some of this so I can have a quicker dinner, easier. I cook for more than one night, sometimes 3 to 4, depending on what my schedule is coming up. I've put some spices on the chicken. I've put olive oil all over the pan, and I've set my oven for 425. Some people have different temperatures for chicken, but that's the one I use. And then I let it, sit and enjoy itself in the oven, and hope it comes out looking yummy. And I will show you the end result and talk to you about the end result in a minute. As you can see, it's bubbling away in there quite nicely, and I set the timer for about 30 minutes to start, and we'll see where it's at when we hit that point. And after about 30 minutes in the oven at 425, here's a one-pan meal. Give it a shot. It's real simple. You can put whatever veggies you want on it, any spices, use any protein that you choose, and away you go. Have fun.